I don't think AI is like ever fully replacing graphic designers. I feel like we've sort of seen the effects of it, and like I definitely say it's made an impact. But as far as like job security in graphic design, people are always going to need graphic designers. But I think maybe like that lower end like spectrum of like clients, like the people that hire a designer to do design work, if they opt in for AI over a graphic designer, then they're always going to do that. I don't think that's the client you want. I mean, I've definitely seen how AI can like help designers, you know what I mean, and I think we all have, but it's just about finding like that happy middle ground, of like what works for you, what doesn't work for you. There's too much like going on with graphic design for AI to like fully replace designers.